In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your Google Docs document. Adding a watermark is a simple yet effective way to customize your document, whether you want to brand your work or simply add a touch of personalization. So let's dive right into the process to make sure you get it just right. First, open the Google Docs file where you'd like to add your watermark. All the action takes place at the top section of the Google Docs interface, so direct your attention there. You'll see a toolbar with multiple options, and today we're focused on the Insert menu. Click on Insert, which will open up a drop-down list of various elements you can add to your document. Now, from the list of options that appear, look for something labeled Page Elements. Under this category, you'll find the option for Watermark. Go ahead and click Watermark and you'll see a selection box open on the right side of your screen. This is where you can choose what type of watermark you'd like. You have two primary options. You can either select an image or use text. For this example, let's go ahead and use a text watermark. Once you click on text, you'll notice that a text box appears where you can input whatever wording you want to serve as your watermark. Add your preferred text and magically, it pops up as a watermark, subtly integrated in the background of your document's pages. Great, you're seeing your text on your document now, but you might be wondering if it's customizable. Here's the fun part. You can adjust the font size and style to match exactly how you envision it. Whether you want it to be small and discreet or big and bold, you have the creative liberty to choose. Once you've decided on the font style, you can also adjust the watermark's orientation. It can be either diagonal or horizontal. Personally, a diagonal watermark often offers a more unique look, but it's entirely up to you and the effect you're going for. There's also an option to place your watermark either behind the text or in front of it. For our purposes in this tutorial, and typically for most uses, it's recommended to have it behind the text. This keeps your main content clear and legible while still displaying the watermark effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your Google Docs document. It's a quick process that, with a little customization, can add a lot of professionalism to your work. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy document editing!